Need to start selling on Facebook? Then here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can easily start selling on Facebook. Start by moving into your application Facebook, enter your login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, here at the bottom, you can see the menu of Marketplace. You need to move into it. Once you are in the Marketplace, make sure to log into your account or create any of the account. Once you have created, tap on Sell at the top left corner and then click on Create Listing. Choose any of the lists that you want to. Now you need to include the photo that you want to sell. Once you have uploaded the photo, you need to enter the title, price, category, condition, and description of the product. Also mention the correct address and then tap on Publish at the top right corner of the screen. After that, your product will be published. People will be able to view your product and buy it by messaging you on Facebook Messenger. You need to enter the title, price. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.